And I'm like the one that's using the tune like Melodic, so they just like, man, stop that. And it's like, fuck no, I ain't gonna never stop that shit.
Right.
Like, I used to pay attention to everything. Like, I used to sit at the TV and watch TV and be like, damn, I ain't gonna never be like this. Like, I was like, I ain't gonna never be rich like this. And had a lot of doubt, you know what I'm saying, how I was coming up, you know what I'm saying, how I was raised. Like, my mama ain't do no bad job. It's just the environment we was in.
Right.
Like we always do about this time.
What's the deal, peeps? It's your boy, back with another video. Today, I want to get into the melodic course a little bit more, and I thought, why not start it off with one of the hottest artists in 2021, which is the voice of the streets, Lil Durk, okay? I'm gonna kind of get into his style, and hopefully you guys could take bits and pieces from it and implement it into your artistry, okay? Now, I'd say there are 3 keys to Lil Durk's style, okay? Number 1 is the 3 to 4 syllable flow, meaning most, if not all, of his flows are going to end in either a 3-syllable combination or a 4-syllable combination, okay? Number 2 is Lil Durk wants to drill the melody in your head, so he's not going to be trying to switch flows a whole bunch of times. You might get at the most 2 different flows in one verse because he's trying to, like I said, drill the melody into your head. And you're gonna see in these examples how he tends to do that, but finds a way to where it isn't, you know, it doesn't get boring, to where it's catchy. And what he does is he bends the melody, so he'll be saying the same melody but in different ways. Maybe he'll heighten up the pitch, maybe he'll lower the pitch, maybe he'll change his voice up. A great example of that is in All Love, you know, which is probably my favorite Lil Durk song, okay? In the first verse, okay, it ends with the 3-syllable flow / melody, okay? Also, the reason why I'm referring to these melodies as flows, because that's all they are when we're talking about melodic rap, is their flows, but they have pitch on them, so you're singing them. That's what makes them melodic, okay? So it's not just something crazy where you got to think of all these notes or anything. You want to put your leap in there, but that comes from adding pitch into it, okay? And where you're going to typically find this leap at the end of Durk's flows is at the end of the lines, to where he's rhyming for each line. It's no different from All Love. He takes the 3-syllable flow / melody and the I love all, my brother called, above all, jumped the wall, jumped in malls, condom fall, Gucci scarves, who involved, okay? That's the same flow throughout, but listen to how he says it in different ways. Same flow, but says it in different ways.